Yeah, I like that. Here's a shot of that little ball bearing I put in there. I think that's running. Well, it was that sound. It's a bit different. Oh, valve stuck open. I can see that. Which one? Okay, that was a worry for a second. Yeah, I like that. A little bit more. So I'll be able to find the perfect place for this and then know exactly where it goes to start it each time and not have that faffing around with screwing it back and screwing it forward. Here's a shot of that little ball bearing I put in there. I think that's running not rich enough. Let's just try changing that. Hey, if you've enjoyed this, maybe I've earned your subscription and like for this video. Means a lot to us. YouTubers out there, it's easy enough for you to do. Google it if you don't know how. And I really enjoy showing off my engines to you guys and the kind of helpful information I've got back from YouTube comments. So yeah, it works both ways. Thanks for watching. Interesting thing about that engine, it's going to hop itself around on the floor quite happily. So it's a slow way to travel, but you get there in the end. As you can see, even with all the hippity hopping that it's doing, those little trays are going to stay there because of the magnets. So And yep, only very slightly warm to the touch. So, I mean, how good is that? That is amazing. These things are not expensive, and they have the ability to run like that. Like I say, I've been really excited seeing what other people have managed to do with them and get them going nice and slow. So just as a reminder, I've taken these weights off, drilled out a hole, like I can't remember what it was, maybe it was 9mm, something like that, filled that up with lead, polished all the surfaces in there. I think I'm using a very slightly lighter spring in the governor in there, and of course I've got another spring inside there that I can vary the pressure on, and that controls when it pops out how quickly it's going to pop back in. I've also got this little adjuster thing here that helps me to adjust how far out the weights are flying, which can also help a little bit. Yeah, I mentioned the change. I like this change where I've turned around the wheels, so those big brass hubs are on the inside. I much prefer this look. Um, uh, Worked on the valves seats a little bit, changed the piston ring, which on mine was had a sort of a fault, a flange from the factory on that, kept stopping this from running pretty quickly. Yeah, and the old switch down there for the ignition is new. Yeah, so what did I mention before? Oh yes, I've got to put a little hole in there so I know where exactly it is. Yeah, that would be a good idea. Might do that now. Thanks for watching.